In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a DSLR or camcorder as a webcam for Zoom. By the end, your video calls will look sharper, more professional, and more natural using the camera gear you already have. Before we begin, make sure your camera is powered, focused, and connected to your computer. Many cameras can appear as a webcam using the manufacturer's webcam utility or an HDMI capture device. If you've already installed the utility or connected a capture card, you're ready to set it up in Zoom. Start by opening the Zoom app on your computer. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're signed into the account you use for meetings. If you've recently connected your camera or installed new software, it's a good idea to close and reopen Zoom so it detects the device properly. Next, head into Settings. On desktop, you can click the small gear icon on the home screen. If you don't see it, click your profile picture and choose Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, select the video section on the left. This is where you'll control the camera feed, preview your image, and make quality adjustments.